Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can add comment on Google Docs. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, head towards your web browser, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in docs.google.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So once you open up your Google Docs, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So for example, I'll just tap on this recent one. So just open it. So once you open up your file, and in order to add comment, all you have to do is first of all select the paragraph or select the particular sentence where you want to actually add the comment. Say that for example, I want to do it right over here, education. So first of all, I'll have to select it. So just tap on your mouse and then drag your cursor. So as you can see that this following sentence has been selected, and as soon as this following sentence is selected, in the right hand side corner there is three different icons. So the first one is the plus icon, and the another one is the emoji icon, and the last one is the suggest edits. So you can see that right on top there is add comment. So in order to add comment, all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a dialog box. So right over here you'll have to add comment. So for example, I want to change the format. So once you're done adding comment, you can even mention or tag someone who has access to this following file. So all you have to do is just type in @ and after that you can see that there is a suggestion. So from here, all you have to do is just tap on the username or the email address. You can see that this following person has been tagged. So after you type in the email address, after that you'll have to check this box which says assign to whatever the email address is, and after that all you have to do is just tap on assign. And in case if you don't want to mention anyone, just simply remove the email address and then tap on comment. You can see that the comment has been added to this file. So that is how you can add comment on your Google Docs. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.